Welcome back. Exercise 3.20. Graph using the intercepts. Well, to find X-intercept, what do? We set y equals 0. When you set y equals 0, you take your original equation and substitute y to be 0. Okay, so y is 0. In other words, 3x minus 0 is 12. That is 3x is 12. You divide both sides by 3. This gives us x equals 4. So you found the x-intercept to be x coordinate is 4 and y coordinate is 0. Likewise, to find y-intercept, what do? Set x equals 0. X equals 0 in the given equation, that is 3 times 0 minus 4y is 12. 0 minus 4y is 12. Negative 4y is 12. So we need to divide both sides by negative 4. This gives us negative 4 reduces negative 4. You have y equals 12 over negative 4 is negative 3. So you found your y-intercept. This is x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is negative 3. Alright, so this is your y-intercept. So you now have x-intercept and a y-intercept. Let's find third point. Third point, you can set x or y to something other than 0. Set x equals 1. In your original equation, 3 times 1 minus 4y is 12. 3 minus 4y is 12. Subtract 3 from both sides. You get negative 4y equals 12 minus 3, that's a 9. Divide both sides by negative 4. This gives us negative 4 reduces y equals positive over negative is negative. 9 over 4, it is 2 and a quarter. Alright, so this gives you a third point. X coordinate 1, y coordinate negative 2 and 1 quarter. Alright, so you have your 3 points. Okay, first point is the x-intercept 4, 0. Next point is y-intercept 0, negative 3. And next is 1 and negative 2 and a quarter. Okay, this is your third point. So now we are ready to graph our line. X-intercept is 4, 0. So x coordinate 4 and y coordinate 0. So you don't go up or down. So that's your first point, x-intercept. Y-intercept is 0, negative 3. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So that's your second point, y-intercept 0, negative 3. Third point is 1, x coordinate 1, y coordinate negative 2 and a quarter. So a little up below negative 2. Alright, using these 3 points, you get your line. All right, so now we are ready to name the points. First point, x-intercept is 4, 0. Y-intercept is 0, negative 3. And the third point is 1, negative 2 and a quarter. Okay, and the equation of the line is, let's get the equation back. 3x minus 4y is 12. 3x minus 4y is 12. Okay, so that's your line. Now, next example, this is interesting. Notice y equals 5x. Why is it interesting? You will see in just a minute. First, find x-intercept. X-intercept, you set y0. y0 in the given equation. Okay, if y is 0, divide both sides by 5 to solve for x. This gives me 0 is x. That is, x-intercept is the point, x-coordinate is 0, y-coordinate is 0. So notice the moment you have x-coordinate 0, well, that gives you y-intercept also. So this point is both x and y intercept. In other words, whenever you have y-intercept or x-intercept 0, 0, well, if it is x-intercept, it's also y-intercept, and so on and so forth. So, in other words, x-intercept is 0, 0, so y-intercept is also 0, 0. Okay, the moment 0, 0 is an x-intercept, it is also a y-intercept. Moment 0, 0 is a y-intercept, it's also an x-intercept. In other words, the two intercepts are one and the same. That is, the intercepts is just one point. So, to draw a line, we really need a minimum 2 points. We use a third point to check that we are on the right track, right? So, let's get one more point. Set x equals 1. Set x equals 1 in your equation. So, y is 5 times 1. That's a 5. So, second point is x coordinate 1, y coordinate 5. In the same way, you may set x equals negative 1 in this same equation. So y is 5 times negative 1. So y is negative 5. So that gives you your third point. Notice, as I have said already before, all you need are 2 points to draw a line. We used a third point just to make sure that our points, that we haven't made any mistakes. So what are our 3 points? 3 points are 0, 0. This was x and y-intercept. And then you had 1, 5. This is your second point. And then you have negative 1, negative 5. This is your third point. All right. Now we are ready to draw the line. So that's 0, 0. Second point is 1 on the x coordinate and 5 on the y coordinate. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So x coordinate 1, y coordinate 5, so that's your point. And the third point is negative 1 on the x coordinate and negative 5, negative 5 on the, for the y coordinate. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's negative 5. So that's your third point. Now we are ready to draw the line joining these 3 points. Okay. All right. So that's your line. Let's plot and name the points. 0, 0 is both your x and y intercept. 1, 5 is your second point. And negative 1, negative 5 is your third point. Okay. And equation of the line is y equals 5x. All right. Okay.